Hello! So it's me, Annette. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, then hello, I am Annette. This is my channel, Misfits and Roses. I just got back from dinner, as you can probably tell maybe, and I'm going to film my night facial routine. And you're probably wondering, Annette, you've said in multiple videos that why am I so like that? I don't really have a facial routine. That is incorrect. I mean, like, I don't actually do the facial routine during the week. I usually do it like once a week or like twice a week, most likely on the weekends, because I just don't have time during the week, especially during school weeks, because I'm just tired. I have homework. I just want to sleep. I'm currently in tree pose. You can't see, but I am. It's impressive, isn't it? I actually have like a set facial routine, actually, surprisingly, so I'm just gonna show you guys that. Hope you enjoy this video. Make sure to subscribe. Okay, let's start. So the first thing I do is wash my hands because I just came back home and I don't want to start touching my face before I wash my hands. Hands washed. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you like, no, I'm just joking. So after I wash my hands and they're all squeaky clean, I am gonna take off my makeup. I used to use makeup wipes from Neutrogena, but now I actually use an oil. This is the Olive Real Cleansing Oil from Innisfree, this Korean brand, skincare brand, and it's really good. I really recommend you guys to try the products. They're very natural and they're very like good for sensitive skin. So I just get like 2 pumps and then I warm it up on my hands and just massage it on. So now that I rubbed it all in, I'm just gonna wash it off with water. Afterwards, we're gonna wash my face with the Kiehl's Cucumber Conditioning Cleanser. It says for all skin types, especially for dry or sensitive skin, which is my skin. So I just get a little dollop like so. I run it under some water. I do this until it foams up and then massage it into my face. Okay, now I'm gonna wash it off. You're now looking at my under eyes and saying, oh my goodness, you look like a raccoon. Well, don't fear, because the next step, use this. Well, I use this. It's the Innisfree Apple Juicy Emulsion Lip and Eye Remover. Well, that's an intense name, but it's a makeup remover as well. I get a cotton swab like this. I put a dollop of this onto the side of my hand like so. And then I get this, I roll it around to coat all of it. And then I just get the excess makeup under my eyes. You can get the tops as well. I just poked myself in the eye. We're gonna move on to moisturizer. I use the Mario Badescu Rose Water. Just spray it all over my face. Oh, I got some in my mouth. Don't be afraid to be liberal with the usage. Oh, I got it in my mouth. So I just let that cool down, fan myself. And once that dries a little onto your face, then I go in with my actual heavy-duty moisturizer. It was in my everyday makeup tutorial. It's the True Cream Moisturizing Balm Heavy Duty. It looks like this. It looks like I didn't use it, but it's just because I used it in very small dosages. So I get like this much. I warm it up in my hand a little. I really focus on my cheeks because that's the driest part of my face. Down to your neck. So, all moisturized. The last step, this is a very short video because it's a very efficient time management routine because you don't want to waste time on stuff that you don't really need to waste time on. So this is the Annette effective face routine that'll take, I don't know how long it'll take, but I'll put that when I'm editing. Last thing, you got a cotton swab. Like so. Carefully so you don't jiggle all the stuff from the bottom into the liquid. It's the Mario Badescu drying lotion. You guys have probably heard all about this. Oh wait, this isn't the last step. Just kidding. I was kind of late on the bandwagon, but I tried it and it's actually very good. So you put your cotton swab all the way down to the bottom until it touches the little pink stuff. You grab it. Oh wait, I did not get any. Okay, I got too much, but it's fine, it's fine. And then you put it on all your spots. I just put it on acne scars and also things I think are about to pop up. What this drying lotion does, it gets the pimple before it actually turns into a pimple. It smells very unique. For my Korean viewers, this smells exactly like that bug bite treatment that comes in a little tube and it has like a netting little top and then you squeeze it and like bug bite gel comes out and your grandma always used to give it to you when you got a mosquito bite. It smells exactly like that. Last up, so if you watch my latest vlog, go watch it. I'll link it in the description below. I went to Glossier and I got the mintbalm.com. Usually in my facial routine, I would just end with putting a lip balm, but I just got this, and guys, I'm not even over exaggerating. This is probably the best lip balm I've ever used in my life. I love the mint because it's very mentholy and it like kind of like stings your, not stings, but it's like fresh on your lips, if you know what I mean. A little dollop thing like so. I'm gonna change it into pajamas, like, and just like that, I am ready for bed. Bed in this case means watching YouTube until 1 o'clock in the morning. I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Guys, I looked at my YouTube statistics and it said only 10.7% of people who watch my video are subscribed. So if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed, subscribe down below. Thanks, good night, and bye.